Alrighty, g'day everyone, thanks for joining us for my first video. Appreciate you stopping by to check it out. So today I'm going to pick and gut this Lockwood 334B45. These are a bit of a staple for any Aussie lockpicker. They've got nice tolerances and those Lockwood thin lip spools. So here's our key bitting, so there's nothing too drastic going on there. Beautiful shackle pop on these two. Alright, enough mucking around, let's get to it. So we'll just dive in with a top of the keyway tensioner and a standard short hook in 25 thousandths. 1-0, 2-0, 3-0, 4, 5, back to 1, 2-0, 3. Alright, that's open. Move that up there. Yeah, these are a pretty good pick. Good to learn spools on too. And with the kick you can actually like prog pin them and stuff like that. So good fun. Okay, key pins 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And these have a slight tapering on them. Nothing too drastic like the really old school Lockwood like night latches and stuff, deadbolts, whatever. One, 2, 3. I'll just dump the springs out at the end, they're all the same. Won't be doing that with challenge locks, but. And 5, I did grab it. Yeah. Get out. 2, 1. Alright, give you a quick close-up. So you can see the slight tapering on those key pins. Probably adds to the experience. Yeah, anyway, fun pick. Thanks for watching everyone, and I hope to show you some more cool picks to come in the future. Thanks again. Bye.